Yo, chill.
Oh wait, shit, my bad. It's just wobbly. Hop up there. Or hop down. 1 sec.
This nigga wanna take a picture. I'm fucking dead, dude.
My fucking flash was on.
You're oh.
24-hour surveillance. How fast? Not gonna lie, we were trying to hang from a crane tonight, but yeah, it's non-climbable.
Yeah, I don't know. How do you get up?
Ladder.
Okay, he finna do some stuff. You got longer arm.
Right there, yo.
See if it's like grabbable. If it is, you could just.
No, it's a jump and a grab, but like you're doing that jump of faith. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Like is it grabbable at the top? Dead ass. All right. Well, I'm actually about to. I feel like I could actually do it though.
You got that shit. You really got it. All right, on 3, okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you got you.
Dude, okay, wait, how do you get down though?
You jump.
Dead ass there though, bro. It's high as a bitch. I ain't gonna lie.
How are we getting down? I mean, you can get down. We have the board for you, but how?
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. You.
Ski up. I want a photo of this.
How are we getting down?
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. There's like nothing to like grip on besides like you have to like fully latch your fingers.
Oh, so it's like flat at the top?
Yeah, and to the end, like right here.
Let's just get the ladder.
Yeah, I ain't gonna mind. You might as well get the ladder. I'm not.
Here, why don't you explore with the ladder?
All right. Yeah. This is cool. Not gonna lie to you. We're on a mission.
You go first or you want to go first?
I'm going first. Okay. Fuck.
Bro, don't fuck up the ladder. If you fuck... Bro, let me go first and hold it for you. You're gonna fuck it up.
Oh, shit.
Let me go first.
Alright. Come on, we good. Alright, that's a little Urbex mission. Little Urbex, you know what I'm saying? Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I'll talk to y'all later. We out of here.